Alright, hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today, our science class, we're going to learn about soil and fertilizer. Okay, before we start our class today, Teacher Diha want to inform you that we no longer going to do online class in Google Meet because my internet connection is unstable. So I'm going to upload a recorded video for you like this, okay? I'm so sorry for that. I hope you can continue learning as usual, okay? So let's start our lesson for today. Teacher is going to show the slide for you. Okay, so here is our lesson for today, which is soil and fertilizer. If you can see here, here is the picture of soil, alright? Okay, so what actually is soil? If you see at your mom garden, soil is actually formed from a various process, which is from physical, chemical, and also biological process. It happened from which is big rock. It broke down into a small rock. Then it becomes a soil. Soil did not just happen like that. It happened from a big rock and it broke down into a small rock. Okay, if you can see here, here is the video of soil formation. How did the soil formation happen? Okay, this boy is digging the soil. You want to plant a seed. Oh, what is that? Soil formation. How soil happen? Alright, if you can see just now, how rock forms. How rock forms and also it break down and become soil. Alright. So actually the process of breaking down from big rocks into a soil not take just 1 or 2 days. It take a really long time. Okay. So the second one, okay, what actually the importance of soil? Why we need soil? Why plants need soil? The first one is soil help to anchor the root of plants. So plants will not easily fall down when the wind go across them. The second one is soil help to recycle and also filter water. Sometimes inside the soil there's a rock, so when water go through them, it helps to filter the water. Okay. The third one is store water. When rain fall down to the earth, soil help to store the water. Okay. The fourth one is plants usually get the nutrient from soil. So why soil is important for plants? Because all the important nutrient that plants need for their growth can be can be can be get from soil. Okay. So the next one is fertilizer. So teacher noticed that many of you got correct in the question that teacher posted last week in Seesaw. So means many of you already understand what is fertilizer. Okay, so what actually the fertilizer is? Fertilizer is any material that we put to the soil, we apply to the soil in order to increase its fertility. Okay, so what is fertility? Okay, to make it simpler for you, fertility is actually when the soil is good for plants to grow. Okay, so fertilizer usually provide an essential nutrient for plants to grow. So that is the importance of fertilizer for plants grow. Okay, so fertilizer also provide great nutrient in order for plants to grow from small plants to a big plants until it mature and also can bear fruit. Okay. Next one. What happens if plants grow is disrupted? Okay, let's say the plant is growing into a bigger tree, but suddenly the growth is disrupted. So it needs to stay into a small plant forever. What will happen? Okay, so when the plant's growth is disrupted, first of all, the unlucky thing that animals and also human will experience is the first one is shortage of food resources because many of plants and also food are food resources for human and animal, right? So when there's a disruption in plant growth, of course, so a shortage of food resources will happen. Okay, second one, most of animal we lost its shelter. What happened to us when we lost our home? So we don't want the same thing happen to animal, right? That's why we need to take care of our jungle, plants around us. Because if you can see here, the squirrel, their home is in the tree. So what happens if there's no tree in this world? So squirrel will no longer have a home. That's why we need to take care of our trees and also our jungle and plants, right? So the third one is imbalance of our ecosystem. Okay, many of you already know that what plants provide to us is oxygen. Oxygen for us to breathe in every day, and we human and animal provide what we provide to plants. Yes, carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, we will provide carbon dioxide for plants. So we and plants need each other. So when there is no plant, what happened to us? Where we will get our oxygen supply? So we need to take care of our trees, plant, and also jungle around us. Okay, so here is about soil and fertilizer. Teacher hope you guys already can understand about our topic today. teacher also already show you the video, and you can head to your seesaw. Teacher already provide the question for you. Hopefully you can answer the question well. Okay, see you soon. Bye.